Mom's Kitchen. Today I'll be making palak chicken. Please join me. Let's get started. So now we'll start the marination for the chicken. First I'm putting in some mustard oil for the marination. Into this, the mustard oil, I'll be adding all the spices which I showed you earlier: salt, turmeric, chili powder and coriander powder. Squeeze one lemon and we'll mix the whole marination with the mustard oil so that it becomes into one paste. Mix it nicely. After washing chicken with the bones, one whole chicken, I'll give it a good mix. Give it a very nice massage so that the masalas stick to each and every piece. Now the masalas are marinated to the chicken. Now we'll keep it on for further marination. For at least keep it for around 2 hours. If you can keep it more, it's well and good, but at least for 2 hours you keep the chicken. I washed the palak and now I'll put it in the pressure cooker just for 5 to 10 minutes, not for much time. There are 3 bunches of palak. I've taken fresh palak. Now I'll add in some ginger and some green chilies, whole green chilies, ginger and some garlic. Now I'll just pressure cooker it for just around even 5 to 7 minutes is more than enough. You don't need to add water when you're pressure cookering it, because already spinach has a lot of water. Okay, now it's time to start cooking. We switch on the gas and now put in some mustard oil. Once the mustard oil has reached a high point of flame, the flame start coming, then it's time slightly to simmer. We don't want to burn the oil. Now we'll put in ginger, garlic paste and onion paste too, and we'll saute this in the oil till the raw smell of the onion and ginger is gone away. Now we'll add in some salt so that it will get done faster. Once the salt is put in onion, ginger, garlic paste, it gets done pretty fast. Keep on sauteing it till the raw smell of the ginger, garlic goes away. The onions also get sauteed very nicely. Now we'll add in turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, all the spices required. Give it a good stir so that the masalas also don't remain raw. Now you can see the oil is coming out from the sides. That means the masala is done. Even the ingredients all in this are cooked. Onion, ginger, garlic and all the dry masalas also we put, they are cooked. Because the oil is coming out from the sides, it's a sign that it's cooked now. Now it's time to add the tomato puree. Just take in 4-5 tomatoes and pureed them in the blender. Now we'll cook the tomato puree. Just like we cooked the onion, ginger and garlic, the tomato puree also should not remain raw. Keep stirring in the beginning for 2-3 minutes so that the tomato puree doesn't get burnt with the masalas. Now, after giving it a good stir, we'll cover this and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes till the tomatoes also are almost done. Now we'll take the marinated chicken after 5 minutes and we'll add the marinated chicken to the tomato and onion, ginger, garlic puree which we've been sauteing. Now we'll add the entire chicken and give it a good mix. And now this will cook for around 30 to 35 minutes on a slow gas. Meantime, we'll blend the palak which was in the cooker. It has cooled down. There the palak is blended very nicely. By now we'll check the chicken which is almost done. It's past 30 to 35 minutes. Chicken is almost done. Now we'll add in the palak puree. The palak is already cooked. We are just adding it just to mingle and mix with it. We don't have to cook it too much once the palak is added. Give it a good mix. We'll just mix it, the tomato puree and the chicken and everything. Again we will cover it. We'll cook it till the oil comes above. Take a tadka pan. We'll put in some ghee. Once the ghee is heated up, not very hot, Now we'll add the green chili, slit green chili, and juliennes of ginger. Now the green chili is also got wilted in the ghee. It's almost done. Meanwhile, we check the chicken, which is also ready. You can see like the oil has come up. It's fully done now. Now we'll put in some red chili powder and then switch off the gas. Otherwise the red chili powder will get burnt in the ghee. That's it. After putting the tadka, we'll give it a good mix so that all the flavors are intact. Looks very luscious and tasty. It's all ready now, all set to have. So the palak chicken is ready. You must try it. Only then you will have some delicious things.